Hello my Dotty family and welcome to my channel. Come and join me on this magical journey through the world of dot art. I'm Zelda from the Faerie realm and today we're just going to seal off our work. But what I'm using for this is just heavy duty gloss varnish. I don't know why, I really love my glosses and it just gives me a nice finish. If you're not a glossy kind of girl and you like it matte, then yeah, just paint it matte instead. So I'm trying to get this bottle open and it is really stuck. So a quick trick that I have learned from bottles that are stuck is you run them under a hot water tap for a little bit, just a few minutes, like not even a minute, I'd say about 30 seconds or so. And what happens is that expands the plastic so that you can then open the bottle. So I'm going to be right back. I should actually pull a little bit of an Arnold and say, I'll be back. Now, it really made that so much easier. If you guys are wondering like what type of brand this is, Heritage, this is a South African brand because that's my home country. But any nice crafters shop should have a nice varnish that you can work with. And then just taking the brush. What happens here as well is now, obviously I've waited a few days. Wait at least 24 hours so that all the bubbles underneath your paint can dry before you seal it. And you can just brush the sealer on and you'll see like here I still have a chalk line and the chalk line will just magically disappear in front of your eyes. Kitty hair. If you have pets, just watch out for the hairs. I have 2 kitty cats and their hair gets everywhere. So usually on my canvases, in my paint, sometimes they're stuck on my tools. But yeah, you cannot replace the joy of having a little pet. Okay, I'm also going to paint the sides when I'm done with the top. So this does dry clear, so even if you're seeing stripes of white, it will go away. So don't stress about that. I'm just picking up, if I see there's a little bit of a kind of a heavy pool that is forming, I'm just flattening that out. Okay. I know there are a lot of OCD people out there, so if you do want to, you can do everything in one direction. But this kind of settles flat anyway, so it does give you a nice, smooth, even finish, even if you don't brush everything in the same direction. So there we go for all my OCD watchers. Okay, and then I'm just going to paint the sides. Unfortunately, I won't be able to do this on camera. Or will I be able to? No. And that finishes off the sides as well. So I just paint all the sides. Now I'm going to have to leave this for a day or so to dry. And then I will add some photos to show you guys what it looked like. Anyway, so this varnish, which I also just wanted to tell you guys, it is water-based. So I can just go and wash my wash my brush under the water and it will all come out, so that really helps as well. See, it says there water-based. It just makes cleaning a lot easier with buying water-based products, especially when you're working with acrylics and stuff. You don't want to struggle with oil-based products. So if you have finished all of this in one day, in one sitting, let me know, because that officially makes you a cray fan of the Faerie realm, and I would like to know who you are. Else, if there's anything else you guys would like to see, please list it in the comment section below. I would like to know. And other than that, thank you so much for joining me on this journey. I will see you guys for the next project. It's all up in my playlist folder. You can decide which one you want to do next. And I'll see you guys again next time. Stay dotty, stay magical, keep well. Bye-bye.